Can you run? All right, 1, 2, 3, go. Run, run. Hey, hey, that's my dog. Hey, what's good? What's good? Hey, okay, okay. What's good? Okay, okay. That boy said he about to catch everybody. What's going on, guys? It is your boy Spaz J here, as I said in the previous scene. But I'm not where I usually am anymore, like, you know, in my other house. But I just decided to come back to my old house. That's where I used to live. I would tell you, but like that's kind of stupid, because, you know, weirdos on the internet. But yeah, I'm back, and I don't really have a topic today, but I just hope you guys like this video. But why do I keep saying but that's like so stupid, retarded. Oh my god, calm yourself, boy. Is that a freaking trampoline on the idiots? But say it again. Yo. Look at that iguana over there, just living life. Wow, so dead. If you guys know where this is, I dare you to put it down in the comment section. I'm pretty sure you don't know where this is. There's iguanas everywhere. Well, you guys don't even know what this is. It's actually a fireplace. There's ducks everywhere over here. But yo! My skin, look at my sexy skin, it's so beautiful. What are you two doing? Oh, you think I didn't see you? Just go back in the water like that? I didn't even know they could swim like that. I'm tripping. It's about to rain, as you guys can see. I don't even know why it's raining like this so much, like, honestly. It shouldn't be raining this much in Florida. Yeah, it's a sunshine state, but that means that there's a lot of sunlight, not rain. Well, we are closer to the equator, so that's what you get for being a Floridian. Like I said, I have no plans today. I'm just here waiting for someone to approach me and say, hey, how was your day going? You know, just living life, breathing air, like any other regular human would be doing at this time of day. So yeah, I'm just gonna walk around a little bit. Earlier, not on camera, but earlier, I went to one of my friend's house, which is right there, but they're moving soon, so that sucks. Then I went to my other friend's house somewhere down there. Oh, you're coming back? And I see how it is. That's exactly how it is. You just, oh no, I can see you. You can't hide now. But yeah, earlier I went over there, and one wasn't home. The other one was too busy sleeping. Well, yeah, I mean, who wakes up at 10 o'clock in the morning just to go somewhere and harass people? That's stupid. I used to fish a lot over here. I used to catch every fish in here. Wow. If you look, well, you can't really see that on camera, but there's a fish down there, and I'm looking dead at it. If only I had my fishing rod. Wow, there's a lot more fish in here than last time. Last time there was a whole consequence. So much consequences that people just, they took the fish and they ate it in this dirty water. It's disgusting. I gotta watch where I step. Look at all this poop. Jesus Christ. This is crazy. Look at that. So much poop over here. The grass is even. Whew. My God. I should do a thumbnail right now. What can I do as a thumbnail? I'm gonna set the camera up right here. Angle you back a little bit. Just a little bit. Not too much. Oh yeah. Hope you guys can see me. That's lame. It's too. Ugh. Hey, I know exactly what I can do. Are you watching me? Oh, I thought someone was watching me. Creepy people nowadays. I can make my new channel banner. I just gotta take a really nice picture. How though? Perfect, just like that. I hope the lighting is good. Really close to the lake. Let's see if I can get a little bit closer. Sun's getting hotter. Whew. My God. It's crazy hot out there. Look at that. Sun just came out of nowhere. Hit you like a. Ooh. It's so dark. Oh my God. Ooh. 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 Ooh, look at you. Look at you. Lay off the popcorn for a bit, big guy.
Wait, you talking to me, bro?
Yes, I'm talking to you. Who else would I be talking to? Myself?
That's what you're doing right now.
Well, duh. I have nothing else to do. Do not judge me.
Well, I'm glad you're here so I can tell you my entire story about how my girlfriend dumped me.
Really? Is that so?
Yeah.
And then what happened, bro? What happened after that?
What happened was she found me, in the lake with another female.
Wow.
You know what I'm saying? You know how
That's
girls
crazy,
are.
man.
Yeah, so that's what happened, basically.
Hey, yo, shout out to my man's iguana, bro. He lit.
Ooh,
Yeah.
Ooh, let me go get
okay,
that.
you see him? Go get him. Go get him.
Oh, he's following me.
I saw a turtle over here. I don't know where he went. Hey, my man's. How fast can you run?
Pretty
one,
fast, so stay back.
2,
Stay back.
3, go.
Leave me
Run,
alone.
run.
Hey,
Hey, that's my dog. Hey, what's good?
Leave me
What's
alone.
good? Hey,
Leave me alone.
What's good? Okay.
We missed
That
somebody.
boy said he about to catch everybody. All right. No problem. Ooh, is that a duck over there? Let me go harass this duck. Surprise! Oh, he didn't get scared at all? Go away. Oh, you thought I wasn't going to catch you on the other side? Okay. Don't dislike the video. I'm just harassing them because they used to harass me when I was younger. Anyway, I'm still going to keep trying to find the perfect viewing angle to make my new channel banner. Speaking of channel banner, I need to make a new channel picture, like, honestly. I have to be really quiet. I'm on someone else's patio. I shouldn't be doing this. This lighting is killing me right now. Oh my god. There's a lady over there watching me. She's so weird. I don't know if you guys can see her, but she's just staring at me. Creepy people nowadays. Oh my god, calm yourself. She got nothing else to do. Like legit, she got nothing else to do, like honestly. Where's she at? She's over there. I don't know if you guys can see her, but I can't even zoom in on this one, but I'll do it during editing. I need a really good angle. Towards the lake though. I know what to do. Let me put this people chair back before I get sued for moving property. And we're on our way. Ugh. Okay, let's see. If the light is coming from that way to this way, I need to get on the other side. But in order to do that, how am I? This is hard. This is too much work for YouTubers to do. My God. And bro, tell me if you guys like videos like this, like just chill videos, maybe vlogs and stuff, but just let me know. Oh my God, this used to be the best spot where all the fishes was. Like, this used to be the party area where all the fish was. Y'all don't understand. And over there, I got hooked on my finger. That, whew. And let me tell you, that hurt like a bad person. I wouldn't say that on camera because I don't curse at all. The only real curse words I say is dang it and frick. As in frickin'. Look at this guy crawling up the tree. Do y'all see how much iguanas is over here? Oh my God. What's good? I don't even know. Look at this guy. Oh my God. I need to get a picture of all y'all dudes. Hold up. Oh my God. Look at this freaking tree. Oh my God. Oh my Jesus. Are y'all seeing this right now? Ducks over here. These guys trying to escape. All these boys on one tree. Y'all tripping. Oh my God. Watch when one of y'all fall off the tree. That's crazy, man. Look at this guy hiding behind the tree. I don't want to get too close. Look at it. Oh my God. Wow. I don't even think you guys can see that. Hold on. Look at that. Wow. That's a lot of iguanas in one area. And ducks. Oh my God, look at that white duck. It's so beautiful. Whew. Still need to take that good picture. Is this a good area? All I really need is that lighting. Perfect, right there. But I don't want it like that. That's the thing. I wanted to see the lake, you know what I'm saying? This is tough. I could always take it from the back camera. There used to be a tree right here, but you guys can't tell anymore. I haven't been here in so long. How long have I been talking? Wow, I've been talking for 14 minutes. You know how hard it is to talk for 14 minutes by yourself? Without, going insane? It is really about to rain. It's about to pour down. Well, someone's dog is running rain right now. Wow. This is really boring, but hopefully I add some, background music so it doesn't seem so boring. Let's see. I'm gonna try to get this picture perfectly. Oh my god. Wow. Shut up. No one asked you. Nope, gonna fall. It's gonna fall. It's gonna fall. That's even worse. Jeez. Okay, let me see if I can. It's okay. I'm not gonna lie. It's okay. I just don't trust it. What's going on, guys? Nah. It's okay, but I don't. Alright, it's okay. Can you guys see me? Hopefully you can. If not, sucks to be you. I think I'm too far. Yeah, I was just up there. I need a really good spot, like a really good spot. Oh, they're coming back down. They're coming back down. I repeat, they are coming back down. I might just drop multiple vlogs in the same day. What the heck is that? Oh, it's for plants. Look at them. Look at these guys. Nah, go back up the tree. Go back up the tree. Yeah, boy's tripping. Oh my god. I know, right? For real. There's too many of y'all in one area. Look at this guy right here. Lame. Bro. That's a lot of iguanas. I don't know about you guys, but that's a lot. That's a real crap load of iguanas on the same tree. Ooh. Oh, I think I know exactly what I can do. It's gonna be quite stupid though. I could make it like this. Not like that, but you know what I mean. Ugh, come on, move back. Oh, I gotta hurry this up. It's about to rain. Like, oh, here, not like that. That is too much tilted. Too much tilted. Fortnite references. Hope this is good. Here we go! Look at that. Do y'all see that? Y'all can't see it, but it's...
Did you say, you little piece of crap? What? Oh my god.
Get away, go, run, run. Can't you see the rain is coming? It is gonna smack you in the face when it gets here. You. Time to go boonk. Boogie. Boogie. Wow, look at that. You know, this really sucks. Because my camera's over here, but I'm looking over here. That's weird. Is that a pimple? Wow. Whew. Did I really just run away from the rain like a little baby? Oh my god, I'm so stupid. I might actually take my profile picture later on today. But you know what? This is actually the end of the video. So yeah, kinda sucks. Suck to suck, man. Suck to suck. Sucks to suck. Sucks to suck. We gonna edit that out. Don't know if you can see it on camera, but I sure can see it on camera. And I was not about to stay out there and get my nice, sexy white shirt wet, huh? Chill vibes. What's good, boy? You want to be in the vlog? Just say what's up. That's it. I know they're not here. They at summer camp or something. Oh, wow. That sucks. Well, if y'all don't know who that is, that's my homeboy. It's raining up here too. Well, duh, it's rain. Well, we have finally gotten to the very end of the video. Ooh, this looks terrible. Oh my. Ooh. Light skin. Light skin. Oh my god. What's good, y'all? The ending of the video has finally caught up to you. This is sad. I hate the end of the video because I don't get to see you guys. Who farted, bruh? The struggles are real when you have to record with your phone. Which means I just added more time to the video, so there was probably nothing up there. But yeah, I need you to hit it now because this is the actual ending of the video. Hit that thing up there. Hit this this circle thing, my face. And hit this old video right here. I'm gonna see y'all boys later. Peace out.